Yeah, so hello, good afternoon, good morning, good evening, my fellow creative designers and content creators. Welcome once again to another exciting episode on this channel. And guys, this is what you are going to design. Not too long ago, I posted the speed work of this welcome to the month of March 2025, and it's awesome. I told you that I'm going to record the step-by-step tutorials and post it, including all the resources file that I use, so that you can also download them and practice. And let's have a fair idea of the whole design, how I was able to achieve this awesome design using my smartphone. So without wasting much time, let me just go straight to the point and let's begin. So I'll go here, set up to the default background, then I'll go to my background area and then bring the background. So I have them here. The first one, I'll choose this as my background. So first of all, go through your resources file and locate your your details. Yes, go through your and then locate your. So where is it? Where is my stock images? So I've saved them here. Okay, so it's here. I've opened it. Then this is it. I pick the first background. Boom. Then let me delete this text. Yeah, so go to the delete option, then delete it. Then again, I brought in some road. Yes, I brought in some road. So this is it. I'll click OK and then scale it up. Yeah, so I'll scale it up, then put it under below here. Perfect. Then I went to erase. Yes, eraser. So eraser, I'll stretch here, then start clearing this side. Yes, I'll start clearing this side up to a certain point. Yes, I'll start clearing this side to this point, and I think it's okay. So check it, and then this is how I was able to achieve that awesome background. Yes, so this is how I was able to achieve this awesome background. Then since I don't want it to interrupt, I'll go to my layer and lock it. Perfect, perfect, perfect. So it's stuck over there, sticks over there. Perfect, perfect. Then I'll go again to the text side and then go and type my welcome. So go to edit and then just do your typing over there. So welcome. Oh, sorry. Welcome. Perfect. So to then set it to all caps, then click on OK. Then you can position it here. Let me just change the font. Yes, let me just change the font to the font we use. So I think we use what font? Berbers, and I'm sure, yes. So scale it up this way and then position it here. Position it here. Then let's center it. We center it, perfect. Then we copy it. So copy it and then you position it here. Edit and then write your match. Yes. Match. Match. So that is it. So if it's okay, then we scale it up this way. Perfect, 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 perfect. Then you position it over there. Then let's set to the center. Perfect. Now let's lock them, because if you don't lock them and then you touch on something, it will just be interrupting like that. Yes. Then we went to the shape and select a nice shape this way. Yes, it's into the shape. You select a nice shape. Then you adjust this size to this. Then let's go and change the color. Yes, we set a color. We pick the color from that red of the background over there. Yes, you pick it over there. Then you just let me center it this way. Perfect, perfect. Then I will lock it. Then what again? So the next thing is that to the month of, yes. So I'll go to the text side and then edit it and then type the next text over there. Welcome to the month or welcome a new month, yes. To or better still, let's go and check the main design. Yes, we can bring it here. Yes, let's go and check it and then we know exactly what we did. Happy new month. Yes, that is a happy new month. So let me just hide this one, lock it and hide it. Happy new month. So click on the text, then let's go and edit. Let's go and edit it. And then you write happy new month. Happy, where is it? Let me change this to, yes, happy new month. Yes, so that is it. Then let's change it to all caps. And then I'm sure we use a different font. Yes, we use a different font. And let's go and see if we may have an idea. So this font is okay. Poppins Bold. Yes, we can use Poppins Bold and then position it at the center like that, and everything is awesome. So let me lock it again. Yes, whenever you do something, make sure you lock it, because if you don't lock it, it will always interact with what you are doing. Then we brought in another shape.